Practice set 3.1. Question 1. Which of the following sequences are in arithmetic progression? Find the common difference. 1. 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. The first term T1 is 2. The second term T2 is 4. The third term T3 is 6. The fourth term T4 is 8, and so on. T2 minus T1 is 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. T3 minus T2 is equal to 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. T4 minus T3 is 8 minus 6, which is 2. Here, the difference between any two consecutive terms is the same. This means the common difference is 2, and therefore the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on is an arithmetic progression. Two. 2, 5 upon 2, 3, 7 upon 2, and so on. The first term T1 is 2, and the second term is 5 upon 2. T2 minus T1 is 5 upon 2 minus 2, which is equal to 5 minus 4 upon 2, that is equal to 1 upon 2. The third term is 3. T3 minus T2 is 3 minus 5 upon 2, which is equal to 6 minus 5 upon 2, that is equal to 1 upon 2. The fourth term is 7 upon 2. Therefore, T4 minus T3 will be equal to 7 upon 2 minus 3, that is equal to 7 minus 6 upon 2, which is 1 upon 2. Here, the common difference is 1 upon 2. Therefore, the sequence 2, 5 upon 2, 3, 7 upon 2, and so on is an arithmetic progression. Three. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, and so on. Here, the first term T1 is minus 10, and the second term is minus 6. So, T2 minus T1 will be equal to minus 6 minus minus 10, that is 4. T3 minus T2 is equal to minus 2 plus 6, that is equal to 4. And T4 minus T3 is equal to 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. Here, the common difference is 4. Therefore, the sequence minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, and so on is an arithmetic progression. Four. 0.3, 0.33, 0.333, and so on. The first term T1 is 0.3. The second term is 0.33. T2 minus T1 is equal to 0.33 minus 0.3, that is equal to 0.03. The third term here is 0.333, so T3 minus T2 is equal to 0.003, and so on. Here, the common difference between the two terms is not the same. Therefore, the sequence 0.3, 0.33, 0.333, and so on is not an arithmetic progression. Five. 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, and so on. The first term here is T1, that is equal to 0. The second term is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 0 is equal to minus 4. T3 minus T2 is minus 8 plus 4, that is equal to minus 4. T4 minus T3 is equal to minus 12 minus minus 8, that is equal to minus 4, and so on. Here the common difference is minus 4, and so the sequence 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 is an arithmetic progression. Six. Minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5, and so on. T2 minus T1 is equal to minus 1 upon 5 minus minus 1 upon 5, that is equal to 0. As all the terms are the same, the difference of the subsequent terms will be 0. Therefore, the sequence is an arithmetic progression. 7. 3. 3 plus root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2, and so on. T2 minus T1 here is 3 plus root 2 minus 3, that is equal to root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2 is equal to root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2 is equal to root 2. We have seen that the common difference here is root 2. Therefore, the sequence 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, and so on is an arithmetic progression. 8. 127, 132, 137, and so on. The first term here is T1, that is equal to 127. The second term is 132, which is T2. So T2 minus T1 will be equal to 132 minus 127, that is equal to 5. The third term of the given sequence is 137. Therefore, T3 minus T2 is equal to 137 minus 132, that is equal to 5. And so on. Here the common difference is 5, and so the sequence 127, 132, 137, and so on is an arithmetic progression. Question 2. Write an arithmetic progression whose first term is A and the common difference is D in each of the following. 1. A is equal to 10, D is equal to 5. The general form of an arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on. We know that T1 is equal to A, and it is given as 10. T2 is equal to A plus D, which is equal to 10 plus 5, that is equal to 15. T3 is equal to A plus 2D, which is equal to 10 plus 2 into 5, that is equal to 20. T4 is equal to A plus 3D, which is equal to 10 plus 3 into 5, which is equal to 25. T5 is equal to A plus 4D, which is equal to 10 plus 4 into 5, which is equal to 30. Therefore, the first 5 terms of an arithmetic progression with the first term 10 and common difference 5 are 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. 2. A is equal to minus 3. D is equal to 0. The general form of an arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on. We know that T1 is equal to A, and here it is given as minus 3. T2 is equal to A plus D, which is equal to minus 3 plus 0, that is equal to minus 3. T3 is equal to A plus 2D, which is equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 0, that is equal to minus 3. T4 is equal to A plus 3D, that is equal to minus 3 plus 3 into 0, which is equal to minus 3. T5 is equal to A plus 4D, that is equal to minus 3 plus 4 into 0, which is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the first 5 terms of an arithmetic progression, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, and so on. Three. A is equal to minus 7, D is equal to 1 upon 2. The general form of an arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on. We know that T1 is equal to A, and here it is given as minus 7. T2 is equal to A plus D, which is equal to minus 7 plus 1 upon 2, that is equal to minus 6.5. T3 is equal to A plus 2D, which is equal to minus 7 plus 2 into 1 upon 2, that is equal to minus 6. T4 is equal to A plus 3D, that is equal to minus 7 plus 3 into 1 upon 2, which is equal to minus 5.5. T5 is equal to A plus 4D, that is equal to minus 7 plus 4 into 1 upon 2, which is equal to minus 5. Therefore, the first 5 terms of an arithmetic progression, minus 7, minus 6.5, minus 6, minus 5.5, minus 5, and so on. Four. A is equal to minus 1.25. D is equal to 3. T1 is equal to A, and it is given as minus 1.25. T2 is equal to A plus D, which is equal to minus 1.25 plus 3, that is equal to 1.75. T3 is equal to A plus 2D, which is equal to minus 1.25 plus 2 into 3, that is equal to 4.75. T4 is equal to A plus 3D, that is equal to minus 1.25 plus 3 into 3, which is equal to 7.75. T5 is equal to A plus 4D, that is equal to minus 1.25 plus 4 into 3, which is equal to 10.75. Therefore, the first 5 terms of an arithmetic progression, minus 1.25, 1.75, 4.75, 7.75, 10.75, and so on. Five. A is equal to 6. D is equal to minus 3. T1 is equal to A, and it is given as 6. T2 is equal to A plus D, which is equal to 6 plus minus 3, that is equal to 3. T3 is equal to A plus 2D, which is equal to 6 plus 2 into minus 3, that is equal to 0. T4 is equal to A plus 3D, that is equal to 6 plus 3 into minus 3, which is equal to minus 3. T5 is equal to A plus 4D, that is equal to 6 plus 4 into minus 3, which is equal to minus 6. Therefore, the first 5 terms of an arithmetic progression 6, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 6, and so on. Six. A is equal to minus 19. D is equal to minus 4. T1 is equal to A, and here it is given as minus 19. T2 is equal to A plus D, which is equal to minus 19 plus minus 4, that is equal to minus 23. T3 is equal to A plus 2D, which is equal to minus 19 plus 2 into minus 4, that is equal to minus 27. T4 is equal to A plus 3D, that is equal to minus 19 plus 3 into minus 4, which is equal to minus 31. T5 is equal to A plus 4D, which is equal to minus 19 plus 4 into minus 4, which is equal to minus 35. Therefore, the first 5 terms of an arithmetic progression minus 19, minus 23, minus 27, minus 31, minus 35, and so on. Question 3. Find the first term and the common differences for each of the arithmetic progressions. 1. 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, and so on. Here the first term T1 is 5 and the second term T2 is 1. T2 minus T1 is equal to 1 minus 5, that is equal to minus 4. Minus 3 is the third term. T3 minus T2 is equal to minus 3 minus 1, that is equal to minus 4. The fourth term is minus 7. T4 minus T3 is equal to minus 7 minus minus 3, that is equal to minus 4. Therefore, the sequence 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, and so on is an arithmetic progression, having common difference minus 4 and the first term as 5. Two. 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5, and so on. Here the first term T1 is 0.6 and the second term T2 is 0.9. T2 minus T1 is equal to 0.9 minus 0.6, that is equal to 0.3. 1.2 is the third term. T3 minus T2 is equal to 1.2 minus 0.9, that is equal to 0.3. The fourth term is 1.4. T4 minus T3 is equal to 1.5 minus 1.2, that is equal to 0.3. Therefore, the sequence 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5, and so on is an arithmetic progression having common difference 0.3 and first term as 0.6. Three. 127, 135, 143, 151, and so on. Here the first term T1 is 127 and the second term T2 is 135. T2 minus T1 is equal to 135 minus 127, that is equal to 8. 143 is the third term. T3 minus T2 is equal to 143 minus 135, that is equal to 8. The fourth term is 151. T4 minus T3 is equal to 151 minus 135, that is equal to 8. Therefore, the sequence 127, 135, 143, 151 and so on is an arithmetic progression having common difference 8 and the first term as 127. Four. 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4, 7 upon 4, and so on. Here the first term T1 is 1 upon 4 and the second term T2 is 3 upon 4. T2 minus T1 is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4, which is equal to 1 upon 2. 5 upon 4 is the third term. T3 minus T2 is equal to 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4, that is equal to 1 upon 2. The fourth term is 7 upon 4. T4 minus T3 is equal to 7 upon 4 minus 5 upon 4, that is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, the sequence 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4, 7 upon 4 and so on is an arithmetic progression having common difference 1 upon 2 and the first term as 1 upon 4.